Welcome to the ComfyUI tutorial channel. Today, I will show you something amazing. Create a 3D character for free today. Turn any 2D image into 3D instantly. We will use powerful free AI tools. Learn to make low poly models easily. I will teach you rigging and animation. Everything in this video is completely free. Watch until the end for full results. Now let's start this professional AI workflow. First, install the ComfyUI Easy Install package. Then, install Trellis 2 and Pixal3D. All necessary links are in the description. Follow the tutorial to complete the installation. Now we will open ComfyUI Easy Install. Run the Flash Attention file. The ComfyUI setup is now ready. Next, we need the specific workflow file. Download it from the link in description. Open the link to see the interface. You will find an image and workflow. Download both files to your computer. Now go to your download folder. Drag the workflow file into ComfyUI. Notice that we have two main sections. The red section is for mesh generation. This section uses the Pixal3D node. It creates the high-quality 3D shape. The green section is the texture generator. This part uses the Trellis 2 node. It adds color and detail to mesh. Both nodes are essential for this workflow. Mute one section while using the other. We will start by generating the mesh. Hold Ctrl and drag with left click. Select all nodes in the texture section. Press Ctrl+B. You can also do this step manually. Right-click any node to bypass it. Bypassing nodes saves your system resources. This shortcut makes the workflow very efficient. Now the texture section is muted. We are ready to generate the mesh. Upload your image in the yellow node. I am selecting a character named Boy. Keep all other settings at default. This node will name our output file. We named it as low poly mesh. There is no need to change this. Total faces determine the mesh detail. The mesh generates according to these faces. Keep the face settings as they are. Upper node is set to 1 million. Lower node is set to 1 lakh. 1 lakh is perfect for this character. Increase faces if you need more detail. However, 1 lakh is enough for now. We will keep all other settings same. Do not change anything in these nodes. These nodes are responsible for mesh generation. You can increase steps for better quality. More steps will take more time, but the mesh will be very accurate. 25 steps are perfectly balanced. Now let us run the workflow file. The 3D mesh is now being generated. Let us analyze the system performance. Open Task Manager to see GPU usage. Go to the Performance tab right now. You can see the GPU working hard. The generation process has successfully started. The 3D model is currently loading. Let us wait for the model loading. I will pause the video for now. Recording will resume after mesh is ready. Wait until the model is fully loaded. We will check the generated model soon. The mesh generation is finally complete. You can see the results closely. The details are managed very well. Check the character in normal mode. Everything looks professional and clean. Open the output folder on your PC. Find the low poly mesh file. We will take it to Blender. This helps to lower the geometry. The current mesh has 1 lakh faces. First open Blender and clear scene. Delete all the default starting objects. Import the mesh file into Blender. Here is our 3D character model. Select the character to begin editing. Enter edit mode by pressing Tab. Click on any vertex. Press Ctrl+L. Hold Shift and click Other Parts. Press Ctrl+L to select all vertices. Move the character to the side. Press G to move it away. You will see 2 extra faces. These are not connected to character. We must delete these extra parts. Go to X-ray mode for selection. Select the unwanted faces and delete. Now select our main character model. Go to front view for alignment. Place it correctly at the center. Use side view to rotate it. Ensure the rotation is perfectly straight. Now we will create low poly. Go to the Modifiers tab now. Search for the Remesh modifier. Apply the Remesh modifier to character. Initial settings might look very low. Select Voxel and change the size. Set voxel size to 0.003. Press Enter to see new geometry. This fixes the character mesh structure. Apply the Remesh modifier to model. Now search for the Decimate modifier. This will reduce the face count. Keep the setting on collapse mode. Ratio will be 0.1. Adjust the ratio and press Enter. Our character is now low poly. The face count is 24,000. This is perfect for game engines. Apply our Decimate modifier. Now, we will generate the texture. Export the model as GLB file. Click Export and choose GLB format. Save it on your desktop folder. Name the file Low Poly Mesh. Export the file to your desktop. Go to the desktop and find File. Right-click and copy as path. Go back to the ComfyUI. Ute the upper mesh generation workflow. Select nodes and press Ctrl+B. Now, activate the texture generation section. Find the load mesh node first. Paste the file path into node. Remove extra quotes from the path. Name the output as low poly texture. Run the workflow to start texturing. Wait for the texture generation process. The texture is now successfully generated. Open the output folder to check. You can see the textured file. Now we will rig the character. We will use the Mixamo website. Mixamo requires an FBX format file. We must convert GLB to FBX. Import the texture GLB into Blender. Go to File, then select Export. Choose FBX as the export format. Set path mode to copy mode. Enable embed textures for the FBX. Name it as low poly texture. Export the FBX file to desktop. Now open the Mixamo website online. Log in using your Google account first. Click on the Upload Character button. Drag and drop your FBX file. Wait for the character to upload. The system will analyze your model. Click Next to start auto-rigging. Place markers on chin and wrists. Place markers on elbows and knees. Set the ground marker correctly now. Click Next for the rigging process. Adobe Mixamo is now auto-rigging. Wait for the rig processing finish. Now choose any animation you like. Search for flip or twist animations. Click Download to save the animation. Select with skin and download this animation. Import the animation back into Blender. Play it to see the result. Our character is now fully animated. Thanks for watching this 3D tutorial. Learn to create 3D for free. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Check the links in the description. See you in the next video.